In this video, we will show you how to install your Aqua Marine Deck. You will need gloves, acetone, clean rags, primer, brush, tape, razor blade, and double-handled roller. First, clear the surface of any debris. Using gloves, thoroughly clean the surface with acetone and a clean rag and let it completely dry, approximately 15 minutes. Clean the surface again with a new rag. Do not skip this step so that the adhesion is not compromised due to the quantity of mold released on new boats. Allow the non-skid to completely dry. Prime the surface with a brush, focusing on edges and corners. This will help the product adhere to the surface. Allow the primer to completely dry, approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the primer is tacky. Line up your Aqua Marine Deck to fit and secure with tape. Pull the protective sheet back about halfway and using a razor blade lightly cut down the middle. Be cautious as to not cut the Aqua Marine Deck pad. Fold back the protective sheet about an inch on both sides, making a crease to expose the adhesive and stick down the material. Gently remove the remaining half of the protective sheet as you adhere your Aqua Marine Deck to the non-skid. Apply pressure from the center towards the edge to eliminate the risk of air bubbles. Repeat on the other side. Using a double-handled roller, go over the product to release any microscopic air bubbles and activate the adhesion. At least 14 pounds of pressure is required. Reinforce around the edges.